Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to become a seller on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this welcome back sentence right there and with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find that the top right corner sign in option, if you click on it, instead of those icons, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do even those options with a Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. And of course, it will be much faster. So once you do one of those two options, you'll find yourself, as we said here, with this page and with this welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, Etsy on how to become a seller on Etsy website. So it is easy to set up a shop on Etsy. You would like, as I said, first of all, is to create an account. If you don't, of course, already have one. So then you'd like to set your shop location and currency, choose a shop name, create a listing, set a payment method, how you want to be paid, and finally set a billing method, how you want to pay your Etsy fees. So of course, you will be able to do all those steps from this shop manager. So of course, you will just click at this shop icon at the top right corner. And for me, I will have this dashboard because I already have a shop. But for you, of course, you'll need just to follow their steps one by one. It will be easy to follow, so don't panic or anything. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.